Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best telescopes for spying on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Gosky High Definition Monocular Telescope. On the other hand, if you are working close up and are looking for something compact, portable and discreet, the Gosky could be the right solution for you, especially as it allows you to capture images directly to your phone. If there's any risk or hazard to your spying, the Gosky is very affordable, so you won't be too worried about it being broken, stolen or confiscated. If things do get rough, it's reassuring to know that it is also waterproof, dustproof and shockproof. Magnification is a usable 12x, which is fine for up-close work. The Gosky is small and light enough you can carry it in a big coat, or small bag, rucksack etc., and no one will notice. We really like the mount for a mobile phone. You can attach your smartphone camera to the monocular and you can instantly capture evidence, store it or send it. Pros: very light and portable, great if you have to make a run for it. Easy to conceal. Ruggedized against water, dust etc. Captures images direct to the phone. Cons: a good carry case would have been welcome. A great little model for up-close spying. By model we don't mean international glamour models, just to be clear. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bushnell Legend Ultra HD Monocular. The Bushnell is another even more discreet and portable telescope, this time with really thorough full waterproofing. That's handy when you are dropped off by a submarine in the Caribbean and swimming up to the supervillain's island hideout. Magnification is 10x, which is fine for up-close and personal spying, work out to about 150 yards. This makes the Bushnell ideal if it's a spying job of a home or an apartment and you are out in the snow and rain. At just 13.3 ounces, it's the definition of portability. Pros: very lightweight and portable. Simple but well built. Very affordable. Does the job up to about 150 yards. Cons: some rivals will work up to 200 yards or more. Another great choice for mobile apartment spying when you are undercover. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is AOMEKIE telescopes for kids adults astronomy beginners. For our final model, moving back to the fixed models, we recommend the AOMEKIE if you need something basic in the static field, with a lot of magnification for a low cost. The AOMEKIE is very simple to operate, it has very few features, unlike the Orion, and is intended for beginners to astronomy, but delivers up to 234x magnification. That means you can be a long way away from your target, for example in another apartment, and still get a lot of detail. What's cool about the AOMEKIE 2 is that it also has a smartphone interface. Just mount your mobile phone camera against the eyepiece and capture the magnified image. What's especially handy is that there is a separate finder scope too, so you can set things up without having to go back to the main lens. There's even a handy carrying case and tripod, so everything you need to get set up in that apartment across the block. If you are a private eye on a budget, for the money it's a hard package to beat. Pros: huge magnification. Hook up your mobile phone camera easily. Finder scope makes adjustments and new setups hassle-free. Cons: at this price you are going to get the quality of the lens you expect, so be prepared for slight edges and other aberrations. With the AOMEKIE you get the performance of a basic static telescope at the price of a handheld plus a bunch of useful accessories. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.